Not eating. It's gone. What's wrong? I've lost my wand. I can't do magic anymore. Maybe that's a good thing. It's not funny. In your bedroom, perhaps, or in bed. Oh, that was where I left it. Then? Daisy, what have you done? Rabbit? There we go. They turned on the air. What happens now?
Out comes the heartbeat. We have to sit still, not fall asleep. In honour of your majesty, we will now do a dance.
There's no trees here. Maybe it flew. It is. What?
I don't think the ladybird...
Daddy, look at me.
I don't look silly.
You can do it. Amazing.
So... Lizzie Elf.
Oh!
Hello, Nanny Clara.
Hello guys, so this is a healing oil that I've done at home and I can tell you it works. It's good for fading marks, scars that you do have, but the color of the scar. Also stretch marks, and not just new stretch marks. When your stretch marks have turned white, it won't completely take it away, but it would fade it out. The way to use this oil is out of the shower or bath, rub it in circular motion until you feel the temperature of your body turning hot. Now, the best way to know if it's really getting absorbed is if your skin starts getting itchy as you rub it. You'll just feel it's really itchy. Depending on the skin color, it will turn red as well. Then you're doing a very good job. It really does work. Try it. What you do with this is you keep it in the jar for 2 weeks. I was going to say 14 days. 2 weeks. You can leave it up to a month without opening it. So you don't actually need to be shaking the jar, but once in a while you can just come and just turn it lightly. It'll do the job. You need to have some space in there, as you can see. This jar isn't airtight shut. This is actually a Nutella jar, and the space that I've left there is really just for you to turn it over like this. Do it as often as you can, once a day or every other day. When this oil is ready, you can strain it, and then you add it to your normal moisturizer. I would say if you've gone through the trouble of making this oil, there is no please don't go and add it to something that has chemicals in it. Add it to coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, things like that, basically, or even more oil. So this is like a concentration you've made, really. Also, when you strain this, don't throw this away. Do you know what you can use this for? For a body scrub. I don't have a body scrub yet on my channel because I do a cooking channel, but as you can see, every time I do these videos, it's always related to food. This is why I have the nerve to do it, because this is literally, so I can actually cook with this because I cook a lot. I can literally take this and add it to something that I'm cooking, but I've made it for a moisturizer. So yes, when you strain this, keep this. and make a body scrub. There's many videos on YouTube to do a body scrub. My favorite one is with coffee, sugar, and coconut oil. And I like to use the coffee beans and I grind them at home. You have to be careful with that because, you know, it's very abrasive, but you can use just normal ground like instant coffee. So that's all. I don't want to make the video too long. This is very good. Ask me any questions that you do want. Hold on a minute, I'll just show you just so you can see that I have been using this. It's something I've tried already. I've been doing this for the past year, I think, but generally I've always known about one or two components of this. I've always done it in the past. Just this year or this past year, I've brought all of these together. I do have a couple more ones that I would like to show you later on. Okay, so as you can see, this is aloe vera gel. It's not the organic one. I've thrown my bottle. I used to buy the organic one from Holland and Barrett. I don't know what's happened, but they don't have it anymore. So, okay, you can see the oil in there. So this was just the aloe vera gel. It was clear, completely clear, because it's not organic. Organic aloe vera is actually a bit brownish, still transparent though. So you can see it was full and I've been using this, but this was the last one. This one didn't have cinnamon. I'll just mention the ingredients. It was very simple for you to know, but it was orange, and we're using the zest, so or the peel orange. Then we had lemon. Please, for the lemon, try and make sure it's unwaxed because the lemon is very important. The orange, I don't think I've actually seen unwaxed orange anywhere, but I'm sure they have it. But for the lemon, I always go for the on wax. And then obviously we had the ginger. You can use organic ginger. You can use all of them organic if you want. And then we had the cinnamon. This doesn't have the cinnamon one. Remember I said I do have a couple other ones. But it is almost the same thing that I did use for this one. Aloe vera, it's very, 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 very good. It's not super moisturizing, but these are healing oils, as I've said before. They're healing moisturizers. So it's not something for you to use every day. However, for me, I do use it every day because I don't really like oily skin. I've never been into that. So if you're somebody who likes oily moisturizers, use this as often as you can do. You could use it at night as well rather than the day. So, okay. Thank you.